We're giving away these brand new size 10 Travis Scott Jumpman jacks. This is your last chance to enter for our May giveaway. All you gotta do is subscribe to our channel and comment down below your favorite Travis Scott of all time. We'll be announcing the winner on May 29th. Good luck, everyone.
Let's go.
Would you pay $1,500 for these? Well, I did, and we thrashed them just to show you how well Reshoevn8r works. How's it going, YouTube? It's Steve, aka Mr. Reshoevn8r. Today we will be cleaning these Tiffany Air Force 1s. This is my personal pair. I told the production team to get them dirty. I was not expecting them to do this. Today we'll be using our Essential Kit and our Suede Revive bundle to clean these up. I hope they clean up. If not, someone's gonna owe me 1,500 bucks. If you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe now. Hit that subscribe button. We do videos 2 times a week, every week, and we have been for the past about 7 years, 8 years, something like that. So make sure you tune in and check out what we have going on. I guess I gotta get to it. All right, we have the cleaning station set up, but before I get to cleaning, I'm gonna set this left shoe aside and I'm gonna go outside and beat this shoe on the ground and try to get as much dirt off it as possible so I don't make a bigger mess than it's already gonna make. So follow me, let's go do that before I get to cleaning. So we went outside, we banged some of the dirt off of here. It came off the sole pretty well. It is still pretty bad, I will tell you that. This is gonna be a super messy clean, but I think Reshoevn8r's up for the challenge. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start by unlacing this, putting the shoe tree in, and then we'll get to cleaning. All right, first thing we wanna do is take these laces out, obviously. Gotta find out who got these shoes dirty. Okay, now that we got the lace out, I'm gonna go ahead and dry brush these. Okay, I dry brushed them. This dirt is pretty much caked on here. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and start cleaning and see what happens because a lot of this stuff just isn't coming off. So we're gonna make a mess, but you know what? That's okay. Sometimes it's fun to make a mess. I'm gonna go ahead and put these shoe trees in. These are 11.5 because they are my personal pair. Right there, don't forget, solution. This is a cleaning that I'm probably gonna change this water 3 or 4 times. They are gonna get dirty. I would normally start with the soft bristle brush, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into the medium bristle. Again, gently using this brush. I'm not applying too much pressure. I'm letting the brush do the work. Since these are a suede / nubuck material, you wanna make sure that you clean the entire shoe evenly. You don't wanna oversaturate any one section. So we took the first pass at them just to get most of the dirt off. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe them down real quick, change the water out because the water is disgusting. And then we'll take another pass at these and get them one step closer to being clean. All right, so we have the first, I guess, pass on these things. They definitely look better. They don't look great. So what I'm gonna do is I changed out the water. I'm gonna do a second pass now, and then we'll probably hit it one more time, and then we'll move on to the suede stuff. So let's get to it. Yeah, so this time I'm gonna start with the soft bristle brush, really just because I knock most of the dirt off and I wanna get in between some of these finer creases, and then we'll move on to the medium bristle brush again. This particular cleaning, we probably won't even need the stiff bristle brush. We may use it on the soles, but I think the soft and medium should do the trick. The thing about cleaning these with so much mud and dirt on them is there's dirt and mud and dust in every little hole and crevice. You gotta really be careful and pay attention to the clean and do a super detailed clean on these things. All right, we just finished the second pass. They look much better. Now really what I'm gonna do is clean up the midsoles, hit the undersoles once, and then we're gonna let it dry. I do still see some dirt inside some of these crevices, so I will probably just touch those up, and then we're gonna let them dry, come back tomorrow and finish up this project. So let's go ahead and hit the midsole with the medium bristle brush. Make sure you get inside all the crooks and crevices. All right, these are looking much better. I will tell you that. What we're gonna do is go ahead and let these dry overnight. We'll come back and finish this up. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so we're back. The shoes dried. I did actually go over these a little bit more. After they dried, there was still a lot of dirt inside of a lot of these grooves. So the little grooves here, you know, around the check, any type of place that leather is overlaid and it's stitched, you could see dirt in there. So what I did, one of the things that I did is I took a sneaker wipe because the brush just wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. And I basically just took the tip of my finger and just kind of went around all the edges to remove that dirt and dust that was kind of stuck in those nooks and crannies. And I just did a quick overpass again with cleaning solution one more time, and they turned out pretty good. I'm actually pretty pleased with them. I was a little worried at first. I thought I was gonna have to fire someone for ruining my shoes, but I think that I brought them back. So now what we're gonna do really is just take this brush. I do wanna reset the nap. So what I'm gonna do here is gently go over the shoe with this brush, and then what we'll do is spray it with mink oil, and that should do the trick. This brush was just a little too small to reset the nap, so I went ahead and grabbed a clean, soft bristle brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and go over the entire shoe. This just speeds up the process. It's a little easier, works a little better. Yeah, and there are two different types of material. The main uppers is really more of a smoother suede slash nubuck. The check is more of a textured suede, I would say. They both cleaned up pretty well, but there is a little bit different in the texture. Reshoevn8r mink oil, this stuff is really great for bringing the color back, especially on black dark shoes. These don't really look too faded, but some of the color did come out. This should bring it right back. You do want to make sure you spray this outside. Don't do what I'm doing inside. It's not good for you. Then what you want to do is just take the horsehair brush and just work it into this material. Being gentle, let the brush do the work. So overall, I'm pretty pleased with this. The texture of this material did change slightly, so just beware if you get these as dirty as my team got these and you clean them, the texture is gonna be slightly different. Although it does look great, I'm very pleased with how they turned out considering what they looked like, but just beware that the texture does slightly change. I'm basically gonna lace this up. We're gonna show you some before and after photos. All right, that's gonna conclude this video. As you can see, big difference. Again, we used our Essential Kit, our Suede Revive bundle. You can find all these at Reshoevn8r.com. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber already, and turn on your notifications so you know when we drop new videos like this. Leave a comment in the comment section below on what shoe that is that you would like to see us clean next, and we will do the dirty work for you to make sure that they're cleanable, number one, and provide the best insight in how to clean that. That's gonna do it. Peace.